See, I have raised this issue because I am not going to leave it lying down or taking lying down, because this is concerning the villagers, concerning the environment, concerning the very existence of the people, elderly people. The houses have been there for 200, 300 years old, heritage houses. And railway contractors are just coming and dumping mud, blocking the exit of the people. There is no access, there is no right of way. As per the guidelines, as per rules, regulation, they have to keep right of way. हे सगळें बंद केलां तांचे जाणटो लोक तो. एके बायलेचो ओनराचो सेंड्रा म्हूण तिचो बापूय मेलो. तिका बॉडी हाडपाक जायना जाली भायर. You know, they shifted the father's body to the sister's house and थंयसान तांणी funeral काडला. So very inhuman, and sad part is the government officials are taking orders from RVNL and harassing the people. सरपंचीचेर केस केल्या आनी 3 जाणांचेर केस केल्या, ऑरविल, ओलेन्सियो and that lady Sandra. I want to tell the officers of the government, we are going after you. तुम्ही तर समजता तुमची दादागिरी चालल्या. Then we have also taken out a list. You know, many years back when the Punjab insurgency was there, Julio Ribeiro was sent there. That evening when he reached, he landed and he released his list of terrorists. तशें आमी लिस्ट केला. जितले गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिशियल्स आमच्या लोकांक त्रास करता, आमी लिस्ट काडला. Very shortly this rule will change, government will change, we will go after you. Whether government is power, not power, we will go after you. We will now track down all the officers who are taking wrong orders from ministers and MLAs. तांच्या फाटल्यान आमी वेतले. जे आम जनतेक, गोंयच्या लोकांक त्रास पय करता, तांच्या फाटल्यान आमी वेतले.